Wait a minute, motherfucker.
This is not a rerun. Hey ladies, it's Chad here and I'm back with another video on this look, and it is a thrifted look. This is my inspiration from Pinterest, of course. I went to GW Boutique. If you all don't know who that is the good old Goodwill. This shirt was $4.99. I found it in the blouse section. I love thrifting, okay? You can get some of your best looks from the Goodwill or thrift stores if you are the creative type and can put a outfit together. It really is all about your own swag. So as stated before, I got this out of the blouse section. It was $4.99. Of course, you see how old school this is. It still has shoulder pads in it, and then it has that stitch kind of satin silk front blouse, I guess. That used to be the style. I don't know. Those are my kids' scissors. Don't judge me, judge your mammy. Okay, so I just cut the shoulder pads out, and then after cutting the shoulder pads out, you can see a world of a difference. At first, I was over there doing the Diddy Harlem Shake, and then afterwards, it looked much more natural. And don't mind me, guys, I actually was kind of trying to see if I can turn those shoulder pads into a cute little, maybe like a swimsuit bra or something like that. So you can see how smooth the shoulder pads are and they look more natural. So I'm satisfied with it. When you are trying to recreate a look, it's best that you make sure you continuously try the garment on to make sure that it does fit your body the way that you want it to be styled. So next I'm just going to go ahead and cut the inside of that shirt off. You're going to cut as close as possible to the seam, but sis, do not cut the seam because you're going to cut a hole right into the shirt. Excuse my phone, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go along the seams all around. And it's pretty easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. This literally took me no time to create this look. I went ahead and cut it the way that I needed it. You're going to cut it. You're going to make sure you style it the way you are satisfied. Throw it in the washer and you are set to go. So I'm going to finish cutting the garment to detach the shirt as seen. And that is how the little tank top shirt looked. And with these type of pieces, I always try to see if I can recreate or repurpose even every inch of what I cut out. So if I can use it for something else, I'll keep it around. If I can't, I'll go ahead and trash it. So here is the final look after cutting the shoulder pads out as well as the little silk tank top. And I'm just kind of playing around with it, trying to see how I want it to be styled based off of the look that I saw on Pinterest, because again, I am recreating a look. And I like it. For you all that would want to use it more like for business attire or more so as a little bit more professional, you can also put a little cute cami. Me, I'm going to go all the way out, sis. So as you can see, I took off my shirt and just tied it up at the bottom. I threw on some spandex shorts. You can put on spandex pants. You can even do high-waisted pants if you want. The look, as a matter of fact, you can do a skirt with it. Pretty much any bottom that you would like to pair it with, you can definitely do that. But I decided to put it with some shorts. And yeah, that is my look. So again, a lot of people don't understand it's about your own, I'm going to take it old school, it's about your own swag. You have to be lit yourself. You have to create your own personality and express your own personality through your style. It does not take $1,000 plus just to be able to come out looking stunning or like money. So as you can see, I took a $4.99 shirt that was thrifted and turned it into something stylish and something that fit and suited my personality. So if you guys enjoyed these type of videos, please let me know. Subscribe, comment, share this video if you like it, thumbs up. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you are aware of any of the future videos that I have in store for you guys. And if you like to see more thrifted videos on my channel, please let me know, and your girl got you. All right, guys, until the next video, I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye.